Kind of crazy that like every game we're getting like these 3 and 4 stacks. This is really weird. Boom, baby. Let's go. Nice. Bait them with the sissy to grapple. Nice, dude. Ooh. Ooh. Oh man. Good times, good times. Wait, did one just come? Yeah, one just came down. Ooh, 3 in a row. Nice, bro. Let's go. Easy. GG easy. GG easy. Trickle in, trickle in. Not bad, bro. Not bad. Alright, Virginia, where are you at? You doing fuse or something? Oh. Is she getting hit? Oh yeah, she is getting hit. Oh, she's right there, nice. Nice, dude. Going in for the smoke or the fart is okay. Probably gonna backstab me here. It's all good. Yeah, it looks like they're kind of over here a lot already. Yeah, actually, I think all 4 of them are on this side. Try to chase them over the other way. Okay. Sunny DC'd for some reason. Oh. Okay, I got the Julie. Clothesline. Let's go. Someone over here.
He just looked at Leland and turned around. Get door slammed.
Wait, I did? Oh, here's
Yeah.
Danny. Ooh.
That's okay, he's not gonna get away.
I'm right behind Danny too.
Poor bastard.
Shit.
Leland's dead.
Okay, I'm chasing Danny still. Okay, I hit him once. He's running down the tunnels.
That's all I need is that blood trail. Sissy a track of 3. Use my family sync for half a second. Oh, Danny.
Yeah, he
hi.
should be. I was gonna say he should be over here. He likes the door slam.
Kill him, 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 kill him.
Ooh.
That was sick.
That was sick.
Door slam the poison to overhead. 2v4 in the middle, back to back.
Back to back.
Alright. Oh, we got a hands? I likes that. I likes that. I'm feeling techie since we got a hands. I might fucking feeling crazy. I don't know. I might trap the inside again. You see. Where's
Yeah,
she's
but
at? Okay, it ain't over here.
streamers stream sniping though, like I've had like 3 or 4 bigger TCM streamers stream snipe me, so it's like not even an uncommon thing.
Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and trap the inside again. Just to be an asshole. I'm gonna let them do whatever they want. Yeah, I just couldn't believe that. I'm like, damn, man. It's every day. You got a lot of ops out here. It's crazy, bro.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna say like none of it's none of it's like I'm like completely blameless. Like I'm not even gonna say that. You know what I mean? But it's just like, dude, these people. I think.
Hold the pin. Hold the pin.
I don't give a fuck about being
Why
a
you
good,
go inside of holding
good
pin?
guy or a bad guy.
I hit him
So
twice.
I ain't
Honey,
taking no
honey over there,
fuck
too.
you. If you feel away, you're sensitive little bitch. That's what I was trying to tell you today. I'm like, bro, you're sensitive as fuck. You got mad because I called you a stream sniper and I wasn't even calling you a stream sniper. They literally were stream sniping. Like, how is that offensive? If you're sniping, bro. It is what it is.
Yeah.
I wasn't even saying it on some like malicious way. It's just if you were sniping, you were sniping. And I was kind of just being, you know, Twitch supporter. Yeah, there you go, hands. Stay on that sliding door for me, brother.
Connie's in holding pin.
Alright, we likes that. You don't got. You could overchase her if you want, but you don't have to. I'm gonna be camping. I'm not even gonna camp my gen doors. I'm gonna be camping fuse inside door.
Oh, I got her. I got her.
I'm gonna
Nice.
Nice. I want them to get in the gen. Hand stays by sliding. Here, GG's.
Nice.
I'm just moonwalk crouching in the bushes by side door, waiting on them to make a move.
Okay.
There's nothing else to do. I got no movement over here. Hands, I got it. I got it. He turned around all awkwardly and left. Don't worry, hands. I'm on top of shit, alright? Feeding Grandpa, he likes that.
Yeah, there's one in the basement still. He's like crouching around. Is that like Danny or something? I don't know. Wyatt? Danny?
Oh, we
yeah.
got one inside a gen. I got that. Don't worry about it.
Okay. I was gonna say I could back you up, but
No, that's all good. He's got a lot of work to do before he gets to gen. And he just got snared, so I mean.
nice. Okay. I'm gonna go check red slaughter. Windmill, whatever.
Red slaughter, like food container door. I just came from there. It was good.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I just checked it. It's good. And then fuse is in the front, so that's pretty nice.
Oh my god, kudos to you, Wyatt, for actually getting through this door. He just welled.
Yeah, I was gonna say, wait, he got over there. But I saw that you were
Yeah,
there.
he got the door unlocked, but it's okay.
Yeah, you can just keep moving your traps back, right? Like, it's not really that big of a deal.
Yep. I started at the beginning of my, like, side I'm watching, and I move it further back depending on how far to get. Why you went in?
Going outside and holding pin.
Oh my god, I'm
Pushing him
about to do
outside
the
the
most
wall gap.
diabolical trap ever.
Where are they at? Holding pin?
He's not. He had hold the pin.
Not
Wall gap,
sure.
hold the pin.
I know.
Oh, yeah, yeah, I see him.
He was
Okay.
in the grass.
Okay, I'm going the other side. I'm faster.
Okay.
Okay, I think he's coming back through.
Here.
Yeah, he's going
Coming
through.
back
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hmm.
Nice, nice.
He's running.
Okay, okay.
He's running back down to the base. Towards the basement.
Okay, I'll
I'm
just
gonna
start.
make sure he go all the way down there before I do anything else.
I'm just gonna destroy more of these crawl spaces.
Hit him twice. We got all 3 of them right here. We're trying to come up and hold
Wait,
them.
in bone room?
Yeah, all 3 of them was in bone room. Danny
What
closed.
the hell?
I saw wide. I saw all of them.
Somebody around here has to catch him.
Yeah, wait, they're all
Crazy.
here in Bone Room. What the fuck? Hello?
Alright, I'm on my way. I'm on my way.
Leland's in the middle of the basement, and then Wyatt ran somewhere over here by like the ladder or some shit.
Okay, I'm gonna close these basement doors. We gotta steal alone.
Oh yeah. Okay.
This was closed. I'm going towards the battery blue door now. Come on. I think someone's over here.
That, are you talking to that ant?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay, it's still
I think
locked.
he has me muted. With blockers. Okay, Fuse is good.
Okay, I think all the doors are basically
Oh, I
shut.
just saw somebody.
Yeah, wires on the door for the. Yeah, you
Oh, that's
coming
ants.
to him. No
Stupid
storage, no
mom.
storage. He's
Okay.
running now.
Oh yeah, I see him. He's going through. Okay, they're coming
Their
up
door's still
Bone
locked,
Room.
by the way.
I
Bone
see.
room?
Yeah, I'm gonna go back up.
I'm here at the back.
Okay.
Stereo.
Okay, I got the Leland.
Nice. Speedy. Here, come on up. I'll close the door
We
behind
just
you.
opened that door. The door to no storage.
I can get Grandpa to 5.
Wire.
Alright.
I think
Jeez.
he just unlocked it.
Okay.
Fuse is good. Jen is good.
Yeah, I hear him talking. He just unlocked it. He's running now. He's running away. He didn't even open the door. I
Pretty
could
sure
be in the
Wyatt's
level
gonna
5
just
too.
try to go Jen.
Yeah, probably.
I want him to come so I could turn my truck.
Okay, so there's just 2 left, right? Yeah, they're both in the basement.
But they'll probably go to Grandpa.
Yeah.
I'll just body block Grandpa. They can't even come up here.
Okay, I got the Wyatt, and Danny's on me too. He's like north storage room. He's like right on me. Is he going up top?
Why would you fight
Oh, yeah.
in hands? Yeah, he's fighting in hands.
Nice. GG.